Hi everyone, and welcome to another segment of Cancer O'Clock. This week we'll be asking the question, why are we all struggling with exercising regularly? We all know the benefits of regular physical activity and exercise. Exercise can help prevent weight gain, can help you maintain your weight. The more you exercise, the more calories you burn. And exercise can also help combat health conditions. Exercise lowers your risk of stroke, of high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, and many types of cancers. Exercise can also improve one's mood, improve your mental health. Exercise has been known to combat depression and anxiety. Exercise also promotes better sleep and can also improve sexual activity or sexual performance. Many of us, knowing the benefits of exercise, still struggle with exercise. So the question we're asking today is why? Why are we all struggling with exercise? And joining me today is Dr. Ogona, Mr. Ben, a fitness and exercise expert, and Bayo. Welcome everyone. Welcome everyone. Thank you for joining us. So I'll start with the question, and anyone can answer this. What do you consider to be regular exercise?
Mr. Ben.
Okay, it's a great privilege to be here. Thank you so much. And going straight to the question, what do we consider as regular exercise? Well, exercise basically is you performing some certain activities, being active. And as simple as you working, taking a walk for some couple of minutes, it's probably like a regular exercise. So if you do that regularly or probably 3 times a week, I think that's considered regular exercise.
Okay. Anyone else want to answer this question?
I agree with most of the things you said. Regular exercise, the only thing I want to add is just that, it means different things to different people based on comorbidities, your health, your weight, your height, everything, all those things matter. So some people want to push because you saw Mr. A pushing, but you know that that's not what you should do. But regular. I think I would say regular exercise is 3 times a week, of intentional activity. Of intentional activity.
So I agree with this, and the International Health Guidelines define regular activity as 150 minutes a week of moderate aerobic activity. That could be walking, running, or 75 minutes a week of vigorous activity. And usually they advise a combination of both. So you shouldn't do like too much of vigorous. You should have like a balance, and you can spread it throughout the week. It doesn't have to be 150 minutes in one day. That's probably unsafe for you, anyways. But that's what they recommend. So I'm asking Mr. Ben, this next question is for you. So if I'm trying to get fit, like I've never exercised before, I've not been regular, and I'm trying to get fit, get active, what would you recommend for me? What's the exercise plan that you can recommend for someone that is just trying to get into things?
Well, I think the first thing is the mindset. You need to be able to put yourself to the point where you know that this is exactly what you want to achieve. It's basically setting a goal. Once you set a goal and you're there to achieve it, definitely you're good to go. Every other thing becomes secondary, right? So for someone who's just starting, I think one of the first things is, for me personally, what I first ask people is, what do you eat? Because that is quite very important. It's not just about you doing exercise. You need to be healthy and then you need to be fit. It's 2 different things. Being healthy contains what you eat, what you drink, things you put in your body. Then the activity comes to the fitness part of it. So if you're not balancing the 2, there's basically no positive thing for you. So what I would advise in the first place is, what do you eat? Give me your eating pattern. What do you drink? What's your lifestyle like? So once we and the truth is 70% of what you eat is exactly the result of what you get for being fit. So if you can probably manage what you eat, definitely you'll be fit. So 30% the activity, what I would do is then give you some basic activity. So for someone just starting, I can probably give you a 30 minutes to 20 to 30 minutes walk every day. At least when you get consistent with that. In fact, some of the plans I have for some of my clients is I try to build up about 10 to 15 minutes 3 times a week. So once you get consistent with that, it's not a long time. You know, we get very busy in the day, work and all that. Sometimes you're not even, for people who are Christians, for instance, they're not even there to pray, for instance, this kind of thing. So, but if you know that, okay, in 10 minutes I'll be done with this thing, absolutely, you go for it. So we start with the 10 minutes, the 15 minutes consistency. Then once you go with that, as simple as jogging on the spot for 15 minutes, you'll be so surprised how much sweat you would release from that. So I think that's one of my regimens for people who are just starting.